Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to know who viewed your Facebook profile. So let's get into it. First of all, open Facebook. Tap on your profile. Tap on these three dots and turn on professional mode. Go back to your profile and click View Tools. Tap See More Insights. Tap See Details under Profile Overview. Then select Profile Visits. There you have it. Now you know who viewed your Facebook profile. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.